everybody! Welcome to another video. I am in India. I've been here for 1 month, but today I'm flying to Thailand. So I'm gonna be packing my bag here and then heading over to the airport. When I first came to India, I flew into Mumbai, a really crazy city, and I really had a shock when I first came there because of all the pollution, exhaust and noise, and I was thinking, where have I come? Exhaust! Oof. You can breathe it in, feel the exhaust. And I wanted to just leave and head out. But then I discovered how friendly and incredible the people of India are. I think no matter where we are in the world, if we are surrounded by friendly and happy people, then eventually we become happy. It always rubs off on us, whether we want it or not. Same goes when you're hanging out with negative people. Eventually you start complaining and you also start to have a negative outlook on life. There's a saying that goes, we are an average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. And I think that's true. Attitudes and habits of people start to rub off on us eventually if we surround ourselves with those people long enough. So that's why we need to have a positive attitude and be happy. At least try. It can be hard sometimes to try to be positive all the time. For me also, sometimes I have negative thoughts, but I think there are certain ways around it. For example, if I work out, do some exercise, then my thoughts slowly start to turn into happy and positive thoughts. I'm just eating the last of my chicken noodles. So good. I've had so many of these since I've been in India. My friends, the bag is packed. So let's go! Traveling can be stressful sometimes, and it's hard to stay positive all the time. Lately I had been a bit frustrated, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep traveling or do something else in my life. Okay, my friend. Goodbye. Thank you for everything. Check out. Here's the key. I was out of the hotel and in the southern part of India, about to fly further into Southeast Asia and the country of Thailand. I have to find a taxi now. Maybe a tuk-tuk. There hasn't been any taxis coming here on this road, but I'm gonna start walking down there and see if I can take a taxi to the airport. The airport is actually not all that far from here, but I still need a taxi. I haven't seen a single taxi. I've been walking for a few minutes and there's no taxi here, so I might have to walk all the way to the airport. It's gonna be like maybe 20-minute walk. So you're gonna take me to the airport? Yeah. Terminal 3, you know where Terminal 3 is? I know. Someone had stopped and asked where I was going. I said to the airport and he offered to take me there. People in the comments have said I shouldn't trust strangers so easily, but if we are always cynical, we won't do much in this life. I trust people until they prove me wrong. In this case, if I noticed we were going away from the airport, I could have just jumped off the scooter. A lot of people in this world are good people, but of course, you can meet some bad people if you go to the wrong places. Let me give you some money. Huh? I give you some money. Oh. Yeah. No. You sure? No. Okay. I can help you. Thank you very much. Very good man here. He gave me a ride all the way to the airport. So now I'm inside the airport here, and the people of India are so friendly. I can't believe it. I was walking on the street and this guy, he stopped on his scooter and asked where I was going. And I said I'm going to the airport, and he said he could take me there. I asked him how much. He said no, you don't need to pay. And then we got here and I offered to pay him a bit, but he didn't want to take it. So nice. Here we have the departures and we have to go through a security scan, I think, right away, maybe. So I was reading that this airport is powered entirely by solar energy. And I also have some rupees left here. I'm gonna give it away to somebody. I was about to check into the flight going to Bangkok in Thailand, but they wouldn't let me check in because I needed to book a return flight. It took about 45 minutes extra to get my boarding pass because there were a lot of things they were asking for here at the check-in counter. They were asking for my Thailand pass. That's a visa that I got in advance. It takes a couple of days to get that. And then they also ask for insurance that covers COVID-19 for at least $10,000. And also they ask for a return flight out of Thailand that I didn't have. Some countries, when you go to some countries, then when you go through the immigration after you land, you need to show like a return flight, that you have a return flight, or even before you get on the flight to go to your destination. And they asked me that this time, so I had to book a flight, and I booked the flight and showed them the booking number. And then also they made me check my bag, so I had to check my bag, but I took all my valuable stuff in this little backpack. So yeah, sometimes if you don't have a return ticket out of the country that you go to, then they don't let you get on the flight because they're afraid you're gonna overstay the visa. So I'm back here, same spot where I was at 2 hours ago before I even started going through the immigration. It's a long story, but they said that I overstayed my visa, even though it's been 30 days exactly today since I came to India. They claimed that I had been here for 31 days, even though that was not true. So I was speaking to 5 people. I had to go and be a bit interrogated by 5 people, and then finally they let me go. And I started going through the security control. I had to explain every single piece I had in my bag. This is a lens, this is a card reader, this is a hard drive, this is a pair of headphones, controller. This is charger, this is the plug-in. They really left no stones unturned going through all my stuff, and it took a really long time. I had 4 plastic trays where all my stuff was spread out, and also my bag. They wouldn't let me bring the drone in the hand luggage, even though I had it in the hand luggage on 2 flights before in India. So I walked back to the beginning to try and put it in my checked luggage. Took maybe 45 minutes to go through that, just for them to say that I couldn't bring a drone on the flight. So now I came out of the whole airport again to the very start. They're saying that the drone is dangerous, but the blades are plastic, so I don't know how they can say that plastic blades are dangerous. This was the first time ever I wasn't allowed to bring my drone in the hand luggage. So we'll see if I get my bag here now, so I can put my drone in the bag and then go through the security checkpoint again. My bag was there, so I put my drone in it and checked the bag again. Then went to the security control and went through the same procedure, where I had to put out all my stuff and explain what it was. Oh, now I'm finally through here after all this trouble. And yeah, I had to go through the security checkpoint again, same procedure. I was by the gate and gave away my last money to somebody at the store. And this is for you, because I'm leaving. It's for you. So I gave away my last money after I bought this Coca-Cola from the same people that I bought the sandwich from. And they were so happy. I had like a bit of a stack of cash that I wasn't gonna use anyway. So I gave it away and she was really happy. I had chicken noodles one last time. It had been interesting to visit India, but I was happy to be heading out. Now I'm on my way to Bangkok. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Here we go. We were about to take off from India and pass by Sri Lanka and also Bangladesh and Myanmar in the north to land in Thailand. Finally, after a long time with trouble, but now I'm here finally. It was in the middle of the night and I couldn't fall asleep at all. But we had almost reached Bangkok and now I could see the buildings below. Now it's 4:30 in the morning, 4:30 a.m. Hello.
Thank you, bye-bye.
I've been walking for about 5 minutes in these long hallways. Now I have to go through the immigration. Hopefully we won't have any problems there as I had in India. That was the most problem I've ever had, I think, in any airport ever. The first thing that happened here was that I got stopped by the police, tourist police over there, and they asked me to show them my return flight out of Thailand. You can only stay for 30 days, so that's also why I had to book this return flight earlier when I was in India. And he really looked at it to make sure that I have a flight out of Thailand. Wow, I came through the immigration in like 3 minutes, no problems at all, nothing, no security controls, nothing. Just talked to one guy for like a minute. He looked at my passport and then I came through. Now we're gonna try to get some Thai baht from the ATM. Hopefully we don't have any trouble here. Here we have the ATM Thai baht. They have 7-Eleven all over Thailand. It's the best thing about Thailand. It's like Oxxo in Mexico. 7-Eleven, you can buy so much good stuff here. Milk and chips, Coca-Cola, snacks, and oh, milk. I'm gonna buy some milk maybe. Hello, how are you?
สวัสดีค่ะ15 บาทค่ะ
Let's see where we're gonna go. That's the question. Maybe take a train or a bus. The city of Bangkok has almost 15 million people and it's located in the middle of Thailand. Next to Thailand is Cambodia, Vietnam, Myanmar, and in the south, Malaysia, and also Laos in the northeast. I'm gonna try this bus. Hello. Do I pay here?
Where you go?
Going to the city, Bangkok.
Huh?
Downtown. Downtown Bangkok.
Bangkok. Bangkok.
Yeah. So I got off the bus. Now it's 5:30 in the morning. And I'm gonna get on the SkyTrain here, I think, to get to the hotel. It's the plan for now. And the city is starting to come alive. Here we have more shit. We're going into more shit now. See if we can take the SkyTrain into the city. Is the plan. The air is not bad here, and it's quite clean. I got a card here from the machine. Let's see if it works. This one? Yeah. Ah, okay, perfect. Thank you. Mask? Yeah. I need the mask in Thailand. Everywhere. Huh? Do I need to have a mask everywhere in Thailand? It's my first day today. Even outside I need mask. SkyTrain is coming soon. The train is coming soon. Okay. There we go, into the SkyTrain. I have arrived, my friends, to Asok. Asok is the station. Some really big buildings here also, look. Oh. Asok. machine. I slept nothing. I was up all day, all night. I'm a machine. I was in the middle of the massive city of Bangkok. One great thing about the city is the SkyTrain that goes about 20 meters or 60 feet above the ground. And I just got off of it. Find a hotel, 5-star hotel, 5-star hotel. Here's something interesting you have to see about Thailand. All the electricity wires, it looks like Spider-Man's web. Look at this here. So I think I have arrived to the Carlton Hotel. It looks like a pretty cool hotel, 5-star. Carlton. I had arrived at the Carlton Hotel in the middle of Bangkok, and I wanted to stay there and just relax and take a nice bath. I have a reservation, but I'm a bit early because I came from the airport. Oh, I'm starting to be really tired now actually, but I am a machine. I checked in early and went up to the 25th floor to a double room with a nice bathtub. I'd been in Thailand before, but I wasn't sure what I would be doing this time. In the next video I should be doing something interesting, so if you want to see that, then please subscribe to the channel. And also if you liked the video, please leave it a thumbs up and post a comment to let me know what you thought about it.